dear friend, this is Jocelyn from SINOMADA Heavy Industry. Nice to meet you. Our company is an experienced trading company who has been engaged in construction machinery for over 40 years. Our main products are cranes, excavators, road roller, wheel loader, motor grader, forklifts, and so on. Today, I'm at the ZOOMLION factory and I'd like to introduce the 300V fire-free truck crane to you. This truck crane is capable of full-range slewing, installed with 5 telescopic boom sections and a hydraulic proportionally controlled system. The crane adopts a 3-axle special-purpose chassis independently designed by ZOOMLION. The full white cap provides wet vision and simple differential. The engine complies with the Chinese National Stage 3 emission standard. Okay, now please let me introduce some details of the truck crane to you. Its maximum rated lifting capacity is 13 tons. The max lifting height is G, up to 50 meters. The max driving speed is 90 kilometers per hour. The dead weight in driving condition is 32.5 tons. This crane has a novel style which makes it beautiful in figure, in form and in color. Besides, we also have crawler crane, rough terrain crane and all-terrain cranes. If you are interested in any of this machinery, please feel free to contact me. I will provide best pricing support to you. Okay, that's all for the sharing today. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.